Girl, I don't even know why I'm saying this.
I want my name to be a household product.
Hello, everyone.
Here we are. Yes, another week.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jose. If you are new here, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We're doing a little something different. We're doing a sit-down Q&A. So please grab your drink of choice. I am drinking my Cabernet Sauvignon. It is J-Lore this time. Because y'all remember, if y'all were watching my vlogs, y'all remember what happened last time, all right? I don't want to discuss it, but I got the right one this time. So cheers. But yeah, guys, we are doing a Q&A. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post other content that I don't post on here. I have my flashcards right here. The reason why I have my flashcards, I shoot on my phone. So, you know, I'm not there yet, so I have to write everything on these flashcards. Plus, it makes me look like I'm on a talk show host, right? This started as a Q&A, but then it started turning into like an advice section. So column or whatever you want to call it. So at first, we're going to start off with the Q&A, and then we're going to get into the juicy advice questions that you guys wanted to know, all right? All right, so the first question that we have here is, what is your zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is a Gemini.
Can't trust a big butt and a Gemini. And
if you know me in real life, then you know I'm a true and true Gemini. I am a social butterfly. I'm the life of the party. I talk to myself all the time because, you know, Geminis have multiple personalities. I am my own best friend. And there you go. Like, I'm a Gemini. What are you gonna do, you know? Next question. All right. What is your strength and weaknesses? I didn't know I was in a job interview. Damn, I should have wore a tie. But my strength and weaknesses will have to be, my weakness will have to be anything above 275, and my strength will have to be anything below 275. I think that's a good question. I think that's a good answer. All right. Next question. Are you still doing your affirmations? How's that going?
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche.
Okay, so if you guys have seen my earlier vlogs, you guys know that I was doing my affirmations. I honestly think that helped me lose the weight that I did. I was literally waking up every morning doing my affirmations. I haven't had a lot of time to do them only because, like, I got sick and then my sleeping schedule got off track. But what I have been doing is, if you see in the background over there, or if you a better look would be in the day in my life video, a glimpse of these cards that I use. So they're just weekly affirmations you just pull out. I'll link them in the description box down below. It's from Amazon. So if you want to get them, they're really helpful. They're really motivating. Okay, guys, the next question is, how do you like having long hair? Love your hair, by the way. Well, thank you. I love having long hair.
can't keep my hands to myself,
so I can love my hair longer.
It is a 98% of my personality now. Like, it really has, I mean, I know it's up and I wear it up a lot, but because it gets hot, I live in South Florida and it gets hot. I wasn't prepared for the hotness. I'm already a sweater as it is, but when I have it like blown out, give it its full long hair Aztec fantasy, I am living for it. I love it. It transformed me. It changes my attitude. I feel more cunty. Like, it's just like transforming into a different person. Y'all know I'm a Gemini and I love having being in transformation, okay? I love it. I do want to style it more. I'm having a mission for healthy hair all year in 2K23. And I'm not gonna apologize for it. Okay guys, now that we're getting all the get to know me questions, we're doing the advice. Well, this one is still a get to know me question, but like, it's from here on out, it's starting to get juicy, baby. All right, so get ready, grab your drinks, take a sip. If you're illegal, like 23 and up, I don't know the drinking ages and everywhere else, because I do have other people watching me. UK babes, Philippine babes, African babes, everybody. But yeah, so if you're of legal age or drinking legal age, please have a drink. Or if you don't drink, have a mocktail, have something, girl. Okay, the next question is, are you single, dating? If so, will you show off your significant other on YouTube? Now listen, I am single, I am dating, but if I do find my little boo thing, I will not, I'm sorry, but they will not be on my channel. This is Yojoseg, not Yojoseg and Boo Thang. What did Laverne Cox say? Laverne Cox said, when you put your relationship out for the world to see, it becomes entertainment. And that really resonated with me because, like I said, it's my channel. It's not like a couple's channel. So like, if I do end up being in a relationship, I'm gonna keep it as private as I can. Of course, like, I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not in a relationship for entertainment. I'm in it for myself, you know? So, sorry for the people who want to see all my little business, but mind your own. That's that. Okay, guys, the next question is, how do you...
I call shade.
Whoever sent this one, I know you're being shady. Well, I know who it is, but like, you know what I mean? How do you keep that amazing body?
Well, I eat medium pizzas all by myself with lots of pepperoni, that's important. And I drink Cokes and scarf Doritos and never exercise.
No, I literally, for those of you who don't know, I am on my fitness journey, and I started off at 333 pounds and now I'm at 295. So that's roughly like what, 35, 40 pounds? I don't know, you do the math. But I literally worked so hard. That's why I was saying I was doing my affirmations every morning. Like I was dieting. I literally didn't change. I didn't go on like a drastic diet. I literally just ate clean. I didn't measure anything. I just ate clean and worked out. That's all I did. And that really helped me for my body and my lifestyle to be more healthier version of what I eat. So no more fast food, and went to the gym. So that's that. I'm kind of like at a standstill right now. So I'm trying to get back in that motivation, which whoever wrote the affirmations things, I really appreciate it because I need to start doing that now. I'm going to take that as a sign. So thank you very much. If you're trying to lose weight, please, 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 and if you're struggling, it happens to all of us. Like, don't get discouraged. It's really a hard thing to do because it's...
shut when you think about it.
This one says, were you scared to start YouTube? Honestly, I was. I pushed YouTube off to the back burner because I honestly was like, I don't want to start it until I lose this amount of weight. I don't want to start it until my skin is getting clearer. I don't want to start YouTube until I see a dermatologist. It really just held me back for so long that I'm kind of upset. I'm mad at myself because I did let so much time go by because I was scared about what people would say. But honestly, if you're gonna start anything, you have to do it now and stop waiting for later. Okay, guys, now here is the advice questions that we've all been waiting for, the juicy, goosey, loosey question. Okay, the first question is, what do you consider a red flag in a relationship? Baby, sweetie, honey, and this is for both genders, male and female and non-binary, right? You notice the red flags, and everybody has a different type of red flag, but if they don't represent what you are looking for in a person, and don't be, oh, I'm trying to fix, don't be Bob the Builder, Dora the Exploradora. Like, don't try to fix nobody. Don't try to be looking for clues and on the map and you're hoping things are gonna get better. Girl, no. If things happen in the beginning of the relationship, sure, if you're in a relationship now and you're trying to work on things, that's fine, girl or boy. Girl is non-gender for me. Same like bitch, you know what I mean? It's boy and girl. If you are in the beginning of a relationship, start looking for the red flags and, you know, talk to your friends, be like, am I overreacting? Your friends are your #1 therapist, all right? If you have any questions, anything is bothering you about a certain person that you're dating, ask your best friends. Don't be asking them haters. Ask your really good friends, your good Judies, your homies. Like, they are the ones that you need to go through in order to get the correct answer. But if you're in a relationship and the red flags are already there, where were they before? Yeah, so where were they? You know what I mean? But listen, sometimes love is blind and you have to figure it out yourself. If you have to ask yourself, if you're in a relationship and they start changing, then you need to work on things. Unless they're like it's really bad and like emotionally abusive, physically abusive, then that should be a red flag. You need to go. I'm sorry, it is what it is. I know it's gonna be hard, but things have to change. Oh my God, why am I getting so deep in this? You know what, girl? Establish the red flags in the beginning of the relationship. Make sure you give out what you want to receive in the relationship and vice versa, okay? So next question. All right, Diva, next question. When he only texts you during office hours. I had to take a break because, baby, if he's only texting you from his 9 to 5, you are just billable hours to him. A fun time. Listen, if you are only receiving a text from him or a communication from him when he's at 9 to 5, after he clocks out, he's gonna clock out from you. That means he got a whole family at home. He got a whole girlfriend. He got a whole boyfriend. Does he got a boyfriend? I don't know. He got a whole relationship at home. You know what I mean? Like, your name is probably saved under his phone as under Steve or Pizza Hut. Like, that man, you are just a booty call. I'm sorry. You're not a serious thing. It's hard to hear, but listen, I'd rather you hear from me, a valuable friend, than you getting your heart broken. Whoever asks for red flags, these are the red flags you need to follow. 9 to 5, if he doesn't communicate with you after, if he's only want to see you during certain days and can't see you through the holidays or anything, you gotta go. He had a whole family at home. You gotta go. Not literally, you have to get out of this man's life, block him, do it as such, all right? You need to clock out from him. Since he's treating you like a 9 to 5, you need to clock out. Quit. Ask for a better opportunity and you will find it. Just like there's a billion other jobs out there, there's a billion other fish in the sea, all right? All right, Steve. All right, Steve, you gotta go. All right, Pizza Hut, you gotta go. He got a whole family. He ain't got time to feed you and his family. Anyways, next question. Okay, guys, the next question is, why do guys send pics without you asking? Okay, first of all, that's very rude and disrespectful. All right, I'm gonna take this from two perspectives. All right, one perspective is gonna be, y'all, it's new, y'all don't even know each other, and he's already sending dick pics off the bat. And then the other one is, y'all know each other, y'all want to spice things up, or like y'all are getting to know each other. Y'all have already been on a few dates. That's the second perspective, right? All right, so the first perspective, you're just doing you on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever the case may be, whatever app you're on, Facebook, whatever it is. If you receive pics right off the bat, that is a red flag. They're only looking for one thing and one thing only, and it ain't your beauty, it's your booty, okay? So we're gonna say no to that unless you're interested in that. If you like, oh, that's a nice penis, like I want to get to know him and blah blah blah. Keep that same energy, you know what I mean? Like if you want to hook up, there's nothing wrong with that. You know, this is a sex positive channel. I don't care what you do or who you do. Just make sure you're protected, make sure you ain't has no feelings, and keep it pushing, all right? And don't tell nobody, don't tell everybody your business, and just keep it pushing. Now the other perspective, you guys have gone on a few dates, things are getting spicy, and he sends you a pic, right? He sends you a pic. Once you get past pic, y'all haven't slept together, right? It's the first time, well, I don't know how y'all get down, but like, you know, he spices up, you haven't been to his house, you don't know what's he all about, right? So he sends you the dick pic. All right, once you get past, here's a tip for that tip, you know what I mean? Once you get past Mr. Elefante, look at the surroundings. Look at the floor. Is his clothes on the floor? Is he messy? Look, if he sends you a full body pic, make sure you check that. This is very toxic. I know, I do this all the time. If this is very toxic, like my mom always says, I'd rather look crazy than look stupid, right? So you gotta look at your surroundings. If there's a towel there, are there panties hanging on the towel rack or on the shower thing? You got to look at those kind of things. Are there one toothbrush? Are there two toothbrushes in the sink? You know what I mean? Like, these are things you got to look at. Like, if he sends you a picture of him in his room, or check the wallpaper, like, does it look like a man's crib, or does it look like he'd be living with somebody else? You see what I'm trying to say? This is a very toxic trait. I don't condone this, but this is just my advice to you, all right? Whoever asked this. Well, you didn't even ask that. You just asked if there was, why do guys. Anyways, you gotta look at these things, all right? You gotta look at these things. So don't hesitate to look around, all right? Just move that little puppy to the side and just start looking at your surroundings. This is in life, in liberty, and the pursuit of lessons, okay? Okay, guys, the last question is, do guys really love getting their ass eaten? Let me tell you something. Okay, this question came from a female. So let me just say this. If you're dealing with a heterosexual man, someone who identifies with themselves as a heterosexual, baby girl, do not eat this man's ass. I repeat, do not eat this man's ass. I don't know what it is, but heterosexual men do not like to wash their ass. I'm sorry to say it. Someone had to. I'm sorry. It's nasty. I know. I get it. But listen, unless you're washing that bad boy yourself, do not go near it, all right? Especially if they work construction, or if they're out working all day, working a double, or out in the yard in a suit, running up and down the stairs to the courthouse, or whatever. I don't know their occupation. I'm just saying they've been sweating a lot. You know what I mean? Like, do not eat this man. You better,
get somebody else to do it.
You better get somebody else to do it, because that is nasty. Unless you are washing it yourself, like a little, I don't know. I don't even, like, you need to wash that shit with Clorox. I don't know. I don't know what it is about heterosexual men and their fear of their booty. Don't do it, all right? Just stay away from it. Girl, I don't even know why I'm saying this. How do I say this? Clean before you eat. All right, and don't take on more than you can chew. Okay, baby. What is this channel? You know what? Cut that out. Cut that out, baby. Okay, guys, that was the last question. That is all the time we have for this Q&A, this question and advice. That is the last question. If you didn't participate in this Q&A, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is listed down below. Make sure you follow me, and the next time I post a Q&A, make sure you answer. If you have questions that you want me to answer, make sure you answer over there, because the girls took over today. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and for those who participated, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.